Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start using Google Analytics for tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using Google Analytics, first, visit the Google Analytics website. Click on the Start for Free button to create an account. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if you don't have one already. Once signed in, you will be prompted to set up your account. Enter an account name that best represents your business or project. Next, select the data sharing settings that suit your preferences. Click Next to proceed to the property setup. Give your property a name that reflects the site or app you'll be tracking. Choose your reporting time zone and currency. Click Next to continue to the Business Information section. Provide information about your business type and the size of your business. Once filled out, click Create. Carefully review and accept the data privacy terms and service agreement. Afterward, you will be directed to the property setup screen. Here, you will find a tracking ID and a tracking code snippet. Copy the tracking code snippet to your clipboard. Next, access the backend of your website. Locate the section where you can add HTML code, usually in the header. Paste the tracking code snippet into the header section of your website. If your website uses a content management system, look for specific plugins to easily add the tracking code. Once you've added the code, save your changes. Return to your Google Analytics account. Click Admin at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the Property column, click Tracking Info, then Tracking Code. You can verify if tracking is working by checking the real-time reports. Open your website in another tab to generate traffic. If you see active users in the real-time report, you have successfully set up tracking. Now that tracking is in place, explore the various reports available in Google Analytics. Familiarize yourself with features like audience demographics, traffic sources, and user behavior. Regularly review these reports to gather insights about your website's performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.